Actually, they're ready now, as you can see here. See how beautiful it is. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kerry. Thank you for coming back here to watch my channel again. Today I'm going to make sweet potatoes here. As you see, these are the sweet potatoes. In our language we call them amanyabwari. Kwa Kiswahili ni viazi tamu. So sweet potatoes, and also I need some banana leaves. These are the banana leaves here. These are the banana leaves. I need the banana leaves. These are, I have a function with them, so I have to wash the sweet potato here. We add some water. So I washed them. Look how big it is. This is the biggest one. The other one here. And so I have to wash them first. In your preference, you can have this for breakfast or for lunch. Anytime you want to have them, anytime you prefer, you have them with some tea or porridge. The water. I have to wash them again. I have to put clean water now. See how they are. Now they are clean. So I put them aside here. Also, I need this banana leaves here. It will act like a foil when I'm going to put them to boil, to cook. I mean, in the oven. So I have to wash it first. I have washed it. So I have to bring the saucepan that I'm going to use for cooking. Yes, you can see. I have to cut the edges here. These edges, some of the black things that are here. So I have to cut them like this one here. The edges. This one here, I have to cut them so that they look fresh again, because from the garden maybe someone made a mistake and cut it with the hole. So I told you I need this leaf here, banana leaf, so I have to cut it into half. And this is the saucepan that I'm going to use. So I have to put the banana leaf first inside like this. This actually is to preserve the moisture so that the sweet potato can cook so quickly. Yes, you see. So I have to arrange them. I have to arrange them inside like this. I start from the biggest one. Here, I have to arrange them inside the saucepan like this. Look how beautiful they are in the saucepan. And then I'll take another leaf and cover it on top here. This is it. Look how it looks. You see? And then I will put some water, 2 cups. Sorry, here is the water. I have to make, this is my measuring water. I have to put 2 cups. 1, 2. Now let's go and start cooking. So let's put the fire on now, and I have to cover with this lid here. You will see. Let's put the fire on with each matchbox here, and I'm gonna use the matchstick like this. I put the fire on now. At the 3 stones, you can see the 3 stones. 1, 2, 3, but I need a small one to support the saucepan nicely, so I have to put it here, and then I have to, so we have to put it on the fire now, as the fire is coming on. If you hear some noises, I'm surrounded with a lot of chickens. That's it. So the fire is on. This is it. You can see this leaves, as I told you earlier, is just to preserve the moisture content so that it gets ready so quickly. So here you go. I have to cover it. Now we have to wait for it to get ready. As soon as we wait together. Thank you for coming back here, all my viewers, all my subscribers. I love you all. Thank you for enjoying my video, and thank you for coming back here to see me as a village girl cook with fire good every day. Thank you. Let's wait. Wow, actually they are already here. As you can see, they are ready. They are ready. This is why I told you the leaves is just acts like a table here. That's why I had put the leaves, and then the sweet potato, which is ready on the leaves. Actually, we will not taste. This is it. Do you want me to remove the skin? Actually, in the village, people don't remove the skin because they say the skin has all the nutrients. That's why I can't remove the skin. So I taste. Oh, it is very hot. Wow. they are very sweet. You can have them with tea or porridge. Very sweet. Wow. Wow, lovely. Even the skin is very tiny. Wow. I can't stop eating. Very sweet, very lovely.